How to turn off screen rotation on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Now, turn your iPhone sideways to rotate the screen. As you can see, you are now viewing the Photos app in landscape mode. Go back to your home screen and swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. The Control Center provides quick access to frequently used settings and apps. Over here, tap the portrait orientation lock icon to toggle it on. When the icon is highlighted, the screen is locked in portrait orientation and is not free to rotate. Now, go back and open the Photos app again. And then, simply turn your iPhone sideways to check if you can view the app in landscape mode. As you can see, the screen does not rotate. Following these steps, you can easily turn off screen rotation on iPhone.